Hi guys, hello, how are you all? Welcome. So, guys, let's see guidance from Bhagavad Gita, a shlok, a learning from a lesson from Bhagavad Gita, and the message is calm meditation. So, just few minutes back, I was doing video in Hindi, and same related to meditation. It was related to yoga, came up, and now it's related to this calm meditation. Here's the shlok. Here's the same English version of the same shlok. I hope this is clear to you. And here's the explanation. Let's see. As a lamp in a windless place does not waver, so the yogi whose mind is focused remains always steady in meditation on the transcendent self. So, example is given of a lamp, like if there is no wind and if a lamp is kept at such a place, it won't move, it won't shake, it will be steady and stable, right? So, same is about that person whose mind is very much focused when that person meditates. Obviously, like I would say that someone who is a good yoga practitioner or a good meditator, they have that experience that their mind is very calm and steady. And even though while meditating, even though while maybe practicing yoga or doing all these spiritual things, even though your mind is going in some other dimension or so, it is said that it is still very much stable, it is still very much steady. Like this happens with the ones who are regular meditators and who do deep meditations, that in meditation they experience beyond things in their meditation that's not related to, this is beyond the physical body normal thing, that's the thing. But if one has grabbed that skill of meditation, of being calm, like their mind will never become restless. This is what has been said. Even though they are experiencing something higher thing, why only in meditation, otherwise also in day to day life or in their sleep also, they are still very much calm, they are very much into their self thing. This is what has been said with this message. Like every message, every shlok of Bhagavad Gita is such a beautiful thing. Like whatever is tried to explain is such an awakening thing. This is what I always feel whenever I do the guidances related to Bhagavad Gita. So do acknowledge it. I know it is not very easy, but slowly and gradually you can also go up to this level. Maybe you are new to meditation and you're experiencing a lot of stuff, but try to stay calm. Chant mantras. Thank you.